doing? Oh.
Don't eat it.
What's that? And so, how do you like it so far?
Pretty good.
Did you get wet at all?
Oh no, not at all.
Not too much, huh? Did you get wet?
He fell. He fell.
So mark my words. You know that.
I'm already wet. Mikey, how you doing?
Rejoice! Be filled with the Holy Spirit.
I went everywhere. Horrible.
Right now, that's a good thing to say.
No, it's and
Who tipped already? Vincent? Vincent?
Tell us your story about tipping over.
Yeah, tell us the story.
What happened in bushes?
And
Sides.
then
Why?
both of you went like
duck.
this.
We tried to duck
The
under the branches.
you go to like the right or something, but you both went to one
They
side.
both went to the right.
We both tried to go to the right.
But the slow and dramatic or fast and intense.
It was crazy.
That's because they didn't listen to that coach.
It was slow and humiliating.
Your life.
That's long. Not the lead. No, I just blamed him. I lost my paddle too.
Oh no.
That's a good headline.
World peace.
They didn't pay any attention.
That's what you get.
And what advice do you give them, Diana?
Always listen to the coach, or else.
Or so what happened?
Or else you
They're
will
gonna
get
tip over.
super soaked.
Or else they're gonna tip over.
Everything
Or else they're gonna tip over.
And what do you say to that? And so, how'd you earn your $5? Hold your $5 up so they have proof of it. And how'd you get it? And how $5? And what did you need to do that?
I needed to soak.
Can you demonstrate it for us what you just did?
Oh, absolutely.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
$5 on the line?
No, but you better hurry up before she runs away. You better... Ready? Ready?
Yeah.
Thank you. Huh?
Sorry, coach. Collateral damage.
Yeah, yeah. She. Good. Thank you. In and out stays open longer. Doesn't close at 3. You know what I mean? The 3.9 USF. It stays. The stores stay longer. You know what I mean? Why? Why? How about like right now? Here. Oh!
You should wait until he looks up and then.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Oh, hey.
Hey, hey. I just want to like hang around with you guys. Just how you doing? Just chilling. Oh, don't you dare! Go ahead. She's gonna do it.
I feel betrayed.
Yeah, and that's your partner, right?
You should spray her back.
We can. This is what happens when you have Sarah as a partner.
Try to aim for his head next time.
Okay.
Oh, point.
And look how far away she was. Why did it have to get so close?
It's okay, we're only halfway there.
I know, huh?
There's still time.
Yo, Mike.
Alright.
I want the $5.
Oh, we got it on film. Stay, we got you. Yeah, we got it. We got it on film, dude. Give it up. Give it.
Throw your hand at me.
Come here. Fist pump, dude. That was good.
Mirage.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, that really hurt me. Bad man.
At least you got a good sense of humor, not like those other people over there.
Oh my goodness.
Can you like good? Are you going well? Yeah. Can you do like this? Can you stand up on the bridge? Oh, hey, pull up your pants! Pull up your pants!
Oh, your pants are falling
Your
off.
pants are falling down! This is our rock skipping contest. Our first contestant, Kiddo. Hello, Kiddo. Our second contestant on the rock throwing contest is Kevin. Say hello, Kevin. Hello. All right. Ariel. We have Vincent of our current rock champion. How do you think you're gonna do today?
Watch this.
Oh my God!
Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
It was beautiful. It was beautiful. We give it a 8.2.
I expected that.
That's right. To achieve. Well, we have Winston here as our contestant. So how do you think you do today in your rock skipping contest?
Probably like a 3 or 4.
Oh, okay. Well, go ahead.
I told you only 3 or 4.
We come upon Christian here. Christian, how are you going to do on your rock throwing contest here? How many do you going to get?
2
Two at the most. You want to see your technique? Do you do a sidearm, underarm? What kind of sidearm? Okay, go ahead. Oh my God! Did you guys see that? How do you feel about that? You feel pretty good? So then we have Marcy. Marcy, how well do you think you can do today?
Doing good.
Rock throwing contest here.
I will suck.
It's good.
I suck, sorry.
No, Marcy, we're talking about rock skipping contest.
I know.
Marcy? Oh, yeah. Oh, we have the team. We have Kat. How do you feel today? You feel really good? Do you think you'll be really successful today?
You won't even see it. Like, it's gonna go really far.
Okay, so can we watch your technique here?
What I like to do is feel a rock. Yeah. Make sure it's textured. I'm gonna rub it on my chest. It gives it a little bit more, weight. It's my dead skin. Even under your arms, because the smell will take you far. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. See that right there?
Oh! Wow! Did you guys see that? Christian, did you see that rock?
We didn't even see it.
We didn't even see it. It was an amazing thing. What can we say? Well, thank you. Thank you for the burn. The sunburn. Are you gonna throw some rocks today? Oh, she has a good one. So how do you think you can do today? can say 3. Okay. Can we watch your, you do a sidearm technique or what are we going to do?
I guess.
Okay, here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, did you see that? That was more than 3. She did an excellent job. Thank you very much.
Coach told me to.
Okay.
Look how evil this guy is.
I was just standing here.
And this guy.
What? I just. Oh my god.
I was just standing right. Wasn't I standing right here? I wasn't doing it. I was standing right here.
Where is that money?
Minding my own business.
Yes, where's my
Just
money?
standing
Now
right
pay
here.
me. Pay me or I'll shit.
Okay. Alright, I'm ready. Hit me right here. You missed. Try again. Yeah.
Dude.
Thank you. Oh! Oh, wow, that was good. Oh. What?
Somebody get that water guy away from him.
Gee, thank you, Vincent.
That's not how a truce works. Truce is broken.
No, she did. Oh, oh, that was good.
How fashionable?
Oh,
That's pretty fashionable. That's pretty fashionable. It's pretty fashionable. Real fashionable.
oh wait, you sound well.
Oh, you guys are leaving? Or?
Here we go.
See, the safe place is be close to us so you don't get splashed.
What if his head gets up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you something.
Who we going for, Tita? Oh.
I like this color, not doing it.
Yeah.
You got it on camera?
Huh?
You got it on camera?
What do you mean?
The last flashlight?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Ah, leave her.
Who's that?
The nurse.
Who's that?
Is this a hit?
Who's that?
Huh? Watch out, nothing. Good job. Oh, God. It's like, oh no, leave her now, leave her. Go. Sus, close the door. Oh, shoot.
Can't leave her. She works as a nurse.
Yeah.
If something happened.
We want her to like, nothing.
I know. Nurse, too.
You got any more cold water?
Yeah.